Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming your device supports eSIM and that it's unlocked. This avoids activation failure. Once ready, pick the carrier and plan you want, and make sure you have a valid ID plus payment method. Credit card or Gcash work best. Start the purchase over stable Wi-Fi or 4G and keep your original SIM available. You may need it for verification. This is the immediate actionable start. Buy the eSIM QR or activation code and note the policy on profile switching. You now install the eSIM. Go to Settings, Cellular, then add eSIM and scan the provider's QR or type the activation code exactly. Choose whether this line is primary or secondary, assign a label, and enable data or roaming per the plan. Once added, follow on-screen steps to set data and voice preferences. Make sure to toggle the new line on. If the network does not register within 10 minutes, restart your phone and recheck APN settings to ensure correct provisioning. You finish by testing voice, SMS, and mobile data. Confirm your plan balance in the carrier app or via SMS. If services fail, first make sure the QR code or activation code hasn't expired and that your phone's firmware is current. Outdated firmware often blocks eSIM profiles. If issues persist, contact carrier support and provide your IMEI, eSIM activation code, and screenshots of errors. This speeds resolution. One key tip: remove and re-add the eSIM.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.